Hey guys, I'm so excited. I just received my 2 packages. This one here is a mannequin stand. I'm so excited. This is my mannequin head. I'm trying to figure out what I should name her. I'm thinking Faith, but I'm not sure. But yes, I'm excited. Let's take this stand out, unpack it. This is a little gift they put in the box for me. This right here is the mannequin stand, and this is my mannequin head, and it came with a stand as well, but it's super small. And this stand here, it go as high as 5 feet. And let's check it out. I think that's like 3 feet right there. Let's see. This is a small little stand that actually came in the box with the mannequin head. This doesn't have anything to do with this big stand right here, this tall stand, but I'm gonna see if it can attach to it. So I just dropped it all the way down to see. I'm not sure. Let's see. What we working with this little small stand. Trying to attach it to the other stand on the bottom of this, which is totally separate from this mannequin and the little stand that came with it in the box. So we'll see. All right. So unfortunately, the little small stand did not connect to this tall stand. But it's okay, because we about to get Faith up on this thing and get her ready to go. She got to get cute. I decided to drop it back down and try the other little circular ball thing. Let's see if she stay in place. Uh-oh. Okay. But it does supposed to move her head left to right, front to back. So let's take this thing up a notch. Take Miss Faith up a notch. This is about 3 feet. Seems like it's, I got her, y'all. She ready to get real cute and dolled up. This is the little gift package that they put in the mannequin box. It comes with a wig cap. Also, open this thing up and we have a comb and some type of little pins. Also, 2 clips, hair clips. That was the first one. This is the second one. And then these things here look like scissors, but in another form. I don't know. I've never seen these before. They move, but they don't open and close. Also, this is the wig cap. It comes with 2.